Ah, no one's letting that guy in. Look at him! Oh, what a fucking idiot. Holy shit. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, what an idiot. That was hilarious.
What'd you say?
About to go to CVS.
With Daddy.
Yeah. Okay.
Hot out, huh?
Yeah.
Wonder what kind of condition she's gonna be in.
Yeah, we'll find out.
She might want.
Please don't stop the music. Playing the biggest 90s, noughties, and 10s pop bangers. This is Heat Radio. How do you think I feel when you call my name? You got me confused by the way I change. How do you think I feel?
So I don't think I need to explain what happened. Car was coming off the on-ramp and clipped us on the left front of the, right front of the car, and caused $2,000 worth of damage. They already replaced the fender and replaced the bumper, and we got a car back in a week from the body shop. And here's the number 2.
November 17th, all Wrangler jeans are 20% off. You heard me right. From November 4th through November 17th, all Wrangler jeans are 20% off at Big R. Work jeans, relaxing jeans, and dress jeans in a multitude blue, black, gray, tan, green, and many more. Big R has a great selection, great prices, along with great customer service. Big R on Barron Boulevard in Sparks. The 20% off sale on Wrangler jeans runs from November 4th through November 17th at all Big R stores. Shop Big R. You'll be glad you did. Looking to save money.
देखो देखो जरा
I'll become one of the sons of Enoch on Friday, or I'll hound your rotten society out of existence. You'll see, my jolly old innkeeper. You'll see. And as we left the grounds, passing once more the 7 green...
If you want to drive recklessly, like that pickup, just cross 3 lanes to get off the exit. Or if you want to hide in a blind spot of a track trailer where the driver can't see you and you just want to sit there, this is what can happen. You see that Honda decided to get out of the way when the turn signal came on, but that Toyota up there just wants to hide from the driver. And then what happens? Driver does not know the car is there, so it wants to change lanes. Now they all have a lot of paperwork to do. And if you do wind up in a situation like this, don't stop in the lane that's an exit lane. Get over to the shoulder like the tractor trailer's doing.